Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I have been asked by a number of people to do a how did they dry video. So I'm going to do it with the pieces I can find. I can't find all of the last ones. So, and I got dates on them so you can go back, and I'll make a list in the description too. Okay, first is my butterfly collaboration, which they shifted. I like this one didn't shift that bad, so this one I may not pour over. This guy, yeah, I'm gonna pour over him because he's got like it almost looks like he's dancing. Okay, so that's my two butterfly butterfly ball chain pull. That's what it was, and it was on November 16th that I put that up. So, oops. Turn it around, sorry. So these are from November 16th. Well, one of them wasn't videotaped because, duh, I forgot to turn on the camera. Let's see. Okay, now, everybody wanted to see this too. Let me find the paper. This is my Geode from our Geode Arty party, which was on November 9th and November 10th. It still needs to be sanded and get another flood coat because I can see a couple of little bits in there that are not supposed to be there. But I love how the rocks turned out. Let me turn it sideways so you can see that. And here are the gold rocks I did. And then more gold rocks over here. But I'm happy with this. It was my very first geode like this. I am very happy with it. So this one was from Geode Arty Party, November 9th and November 10th. Okay, let me now, I'm not doing these in any particular order. Okay, these are from my live on October 29th. These are burner covers. Now, it's still looking purple. I mean, blue. It is purple. But I'm very, very happy. I don't know if that's what that is right there. But as far as I can tell, well, okay. No, that's a piece wiped off. As far as I can tell, this one don't need a flood coat. I love the gold, what the gold did in there. And then here was the little one. This one has, this one has a little bump right here. And I can't see any, but most of these are going to need flood coats. And it still looks blue instead of purple. But anyway, I love the effects I got right here with the resin. I can't remember what I did there. I love the effects I got over here too. So that's how these two pieces dried, and they were from the live on 10/29. Okay. Hang on one second. I've got to rearrange stuff over here. Okay. This one was from the live on November 5th. This one does need a flood coat because I see a couple of bubbles and dust. Might have pulled away from the edge just a hair right there. I don't know. Anyway, I am happy with what this one did. I am very, very pleased with it. Okay, sorry. Let me see if I can get out of the glare. Anyway, okay, here we go. So, I love the cells. Those are so pretty. And this was the one where I did the John Deere green the second time, because the first time did not look like John Deere green. So anyway, this was the live from November 5th. Okay. Now, this was from the live on October 22nd, and this one had a major boo-boo. It had a crack, but I haven't sanded it yet. I put some diamond glaze in there. I got one other crack too. Ah, there it is. I'm putting some diamond glaze in there to kind of fill in the hole. But this one was the giveaway I did that night. Just lost my little post-it note. Okay, so this was on October 22nd. I love those cells. I absolutely love them. I love the differences in the colors here too. So this was from October 22nd. Got a few more here for you. Okay, this one was from November 12th, and it was a recorded one. It was my try at making lights, glare, trying to figure out the best angle so I can show you everything. But this one, I did the same way as the big one. You can see it's supposed to be an awareness ribbon. Yes, it shifted, and it was very level, and I think I dropped some stuff from doing the coasters right there. But I'm still happy with it. And then later that night, this is the big one I did for Judy and her husband, Stephen. That's gold right there. I love the lacing I got right here in the cell. Look at that. And of course, it was another awareness ribbon. I got to figure out how to do an awareness ribbon without it shifting in resin. I don't know how to do that, but I will find out eventually. And last but not least, these were the two. Let me look at the back. I forgot the date. These were from the live on October 31st. And these were my test. Oh, that's a bad glare. That's because there's Molotow liquid chrome in there. And I think it turned out really good. This one needs a flood coat because I see a little tiny bits. It shifted a little bit, but that's all it did was some of the silver shifted off. Anyway, that was from, and I did that same night. I did both of them. Oh, and these are more burner covers that I did. You just go to any store, buy the stovetop burner covers, and prep them, you know. I spray painted these black. I taped off the back because I did the torch and tilt. I put a little bit of extra paper right there so I didn't burn my fingers. Anyway, this one, same colors in both. This one had the Molotow liquid chrome dripped on top and then blown out. This one had the liquid chrome mixed into some of the resin. And as you can see, it came out a lot better. Focus. So, I hope you enjoyed. Oh man, there we go. Now it's focusing good. Well, as good as I can expect it to. There we go. I can lift that up and get rid of the glare. So, tell me what you think of how all of them dried. And I'll put a list down below of each of the videos in order of when these were made. So that way, if you want to, you can refer back to that video if you want to try to do one. Anyway, so thank y'all for watching. I love the fluid arts right out of you. Y'all are awesome. Just keep watching, keep giving me ideas. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And don't forget to hit that little bell for the notifications. I'm trying to do a video at least 3 times a week, but it's kind of hard right now because I got other stuff going on that's not art related. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about any of these pieces, because most of them are still available. I think the awareness ribbon, the big one, and the John Deere, the bigger John Deere green, which didn't look like John Deere green in the background. They're both spoken for, but the rest of them are still up for grabs. So shoot me a message on social media. All my social media links are down below, and I will quote your price and quote your price on shipping. Okay, so you all have a spectacular day. Thanks for watching. Love the resin right out of you guys. Bye for now.